No turbos or hybrids. Ferrari 12Cilindri. The 12Cilindri model, which will be available as both a coupe and a spider with a retractable hardtop, will replace the 812 Superfast. The 6.5-liter engine is the latest evolution of the Ferrari Phone 140 V12 engine first used in the Enzo 2 decades ago. However, it now produces 830 horsepower. There is also no hybrid assistance. Ferrari has managed to meet all relevant emission standards without relying on electrification. Engine. Paired with the engine is an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission mounted at the rear, which promises 30% faster gear shifts than the 812's transmission. Considering that the 812's was one of the fastest cars on the road, we can only imagine what it will be now. Switching to larger 21-inch tires effectively reduces gear ratios by 5%, contributing to better acceleration. Ferrari claims that the Coupe 0-100 km 0.62 mph acceleration time is 2.9 seconds. The Spider is slightly slower. The acceleration time is 2.95 seconds. The top speed for both exceeds 340 km, 240 km. As expected, the brand new Ferrari with a V12 engine won't be cheap. The cost of the 12Cilindri is $423,000 for the coupe and $400,000